for quite a bit now, with Trent coming back and forth to Cebu since 2006 and me being a local here. And we have seen a lot of spectacular places in the island, but apparently there is this another beautiful spot that we haven't checked out, not once. So for this trip, let's explore the charm of Palalong views in Barili, Cebu.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air.
Today we are going on a 2-night getaway with the whole family. And when I say whole family, I mean all of us in this van plus 4 or 5 more other vans behind us. On our first night, there is going to be a birthday celebration for my 2 cousins, Mitchie and Manilyn Reynes. This is one of the reasons why me and Trent took this trip out to Cebu. And on the second night, we just plan to enjoy and relax with the family since we booked the whole place exclusive to ourselves. Palalong Views is a rental vacation home perched on the hillside of Barili, Cebu, an approximately 3-hour drive from Cebu City. This dream home offers a 180 panoramic view of Mount Canlaon.
Building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand.
So as soon as we got here, everyone got so busy preparing for tonight's party. Decorations, sound system, photo shoots here and there.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond scale the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes.
Good evening, friends and family, and welcome to this much-awaited event. We are gathered today to celebrate 2 gorgeous ladies who are both very close to our hearts. So tonight, it's all about Mitchie and Ate Manilyn. Let's appreciate and express our love to our celebrants. Let's create happy memories tonight. Let's fill this beautiful venue with laughter, good vibes, and lots of love. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the night.
We will surely enjoy. We will surely.
And the party continues with more dancing and more booze. Good morning, guys. Just a few minutes away from the resort, we found this coconut stall. So we're here buying some fresh coconuts.
Oh, kana okay. Ani? Oh. Para lami ba? Barili juga. Daghan sa mamalit og gusto. May gid mga sukit sa Cebu City. Hindi ay. Sagaran magbalik sa. Pila gani ang usa? 35 pesos. One coconut. Yeah. Try it. What we'll do is I'm letting her separate. I'm letting her separate the coconut water from the meat.
Yeah.
And then when we get home, we'll mix it with condensed milk.
Didn't I try this before?
I don't think so.
No.
Meanwhile, back at the resort, everybody's busy preparing for our Boodle fight lunch.